Hey everybody, how are you? It's your fellow Vancouver corporate mixologist for Be Our Guest. Today I'm continuing showing you how to make some of the fall 2012 drinks. This one is the Mr. Sandman. I really like this because it's a scotch-based drink with mezcal. I normally look at these two and you're like, there's no way those two will go together, but from the notes of scotch, the smokiness, the mezcal just kind of lends to it. And it just creates this wonderful, aromatic, flavorful cocktail. So in this cocktail, as you can see, we have a scotch, and you can use Dewar's, but I would prefer Johnny Walker Black, a mezcal of your liking, or whatever we have behind the bar. There isn't too much in the cocktail, so it doesn't really matter on the specific brands. Dubonnet Rouge. Dubonnet Rouge is a aperitif. It's really delicious by itself. It's just one of those things you can drink on the rocks. And on this side of it, our mixers, we have some grenadine and orange juice. Very simple. This is kind of a take if you know anything about the classic cocktails, like a blood and sand. You can see there's no cherry herring in this. I replaced kind of that with the Dubonnet. So you want to start off with an ounce of the scotch. This is just a half ounce of the mezcal. And again, this is one of those things you want to be very, very light on. If you do too much or too little, it just will completely ruin the cocktail. Dubonnet Rouge, an ounce. An ounce of orange juice. And then lastly, a half ounce of grenadine. The grenadine is there for the sweetness and for a color aesthetic. Add ice, and then give it a hearty shake. Then just strain over fresh ice. And as you can see, the garnish for this in your cocktail glass is a flag, but it's a flag on a different take. The cherry's actually in the middle instead of being on the top or the bottom of the cocktail. And I used a wood skewer. If you can get these make for a great aesthetic for the cocktail. And it just kind of lays on the top. Pour over fresh ice. And there you go. That's the Mr. Sandman, part of the fall 2012 lineup.